So now you have installed Hysolate on your computer. There are now two environments. There's the original or primary environment, and then there's the Hysolate environment. So you may be wondering, how do I switch between the environments? Well, there are a number of methods that you can use to switch between your environments. The most popular method is to use a keyboard key combination. Just press the Windows key and the Alt key and the right arrow key, all simultaneously, to switch to the other environment. The next method is to use the desktop shortcuts that have been added to both the Hysolate environment and the primary environment. Click the Switch Environment shortcut to switch to the primary environment. And then click the Hysolate Workspace shortcut to switch back to the Hysolate environment. We hope this video helps you to get switching between your environments. Thanks for watching. Please contact us if you have any questions or feedback.